Hello, you want to see how I achieve this spicy goat meat pepper soup? Watch this video so you don't miss out. I'll garnish it with some basil leaf. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm cooking spicy goat meat pepper soup. That is my ginger, half seasoning, chili pepper, salt. Here I have bell pepper, scotch bonnet, onion that I roughly blended. I added my mixed spices for pepper soup and crayfish blended together. I gave it a good mix and I allow it to simmer 10 minutes. Yes, after 10 minutes, I added water and I'll cover and cook it for another 30 minutes. So I gave it a good mix. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. I don't take your love for granted. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I added my remaining crayfish and I covered it and allowed it to simmer for another 5 minutes. I tasted for salt, it was okay. I added my basil leaf, turned up the gas, and at this point guys, our spicy goat meat pepper soup is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.